Hello everybody and welcome to the crypto session brief. We're on Thursday the 29th of September 2022. Not too much change in crypto markets. You can see top right of my screen, Litecoin completely flat, range trading at the moment, back in another range, so 55.60, 55.70 area highs, and then you got the 50 area lows, so pretty important area. Maybe the next short to medium term direction will be a break of either one of those levels. Ethereum, as you can see, also pretty flat and range trading, so the next move is going to be decisive, I would say, in terms of the daily breakout. Let's watch for a daily close above the highs around 1410 or below the lows and underneath that 1280 area. Bitcoin has also been quite interesting in terms of price action lately after that reversal pin bar on Tuesday. Yesterday ended up being relatively flat. There was some downside pressure early on, but then rose later on with the US markets finding a bit of a bounce and some flow out of the US dollar in the end. So far today, Bitcoin's just got stuck at 19,595. You can see that's basically the high of the day, and it's an area and a level that which we've had on here for some time. So you can see just pausing again there, and then you've obviously got the 20,000 psychological handle just ahead. So sellers looking to keep in control here and looking to keep the market below the 19,595 20k areas, but we know that bulls, once they get going, they can push this market through these sort of areas with relative ease, but the 50-day moving average is also looming pretty close by as well, 26.96 right now, and that proved a bit difficult to break through the last time we were there. That's pretty much it from my end with today's crypto session brief. It's a relatively short, sharp and sweet brief for today because we've not got too much price movement from yesterday. Just a highlight on Ethereum, you've got really tight ranges on the closes and the open, so the body of the bars is really thin at the moment, the previous two. So again, just suggesting signs of indecision there. You can see the long wicks on either end, so some indecision on Ethereum as well, as it just holds above a pretty key level. See you all tomorrow inside the crypto brief. Until next time, all the best and bye for now.